Okay, so number 12, we're doing molarity again. We have a big M that's underlined and italicized. So I'll write my formula. Molarity equals moles over liters. Notice that the question asks for milliliters though. So once we get my liters, we solve for liters, we're going to change that to milliliters. It won't be hard. They've given us the molarity, so I can plug that in. But they have not given us the moles. So I can't solve for liters unless I have moles. So I'll just change my grams to moles really quick. I have 23.9 grams of C6H22O11. And I will put grams on bottom because I'll cancel that out and put moles on top. Of course, it's 1 mole. And I have to do the molar mass of my sugar. And when I do that, I will get 342.2979 grams. And so this is going to cancel out. All I have to do now is divide. 23.9 divided by 342.2979. And that will give me 0.0698 moles. Okay, so now I have moles and I have molarity. I have both of those so I can solve for liters. Plug in your molarity, it's going to be 0.750 equals, my moles is 0.0698 that we just found over liters. To solve this, just put 0.750 over 1 and cross multiply. So I'll get 0.0698 equals 0.750 times liters. And just divide both sides by 0.750, and you'll get liters is equal to 0.093. Okay, but notice your question asks you for milliliters. And so all you do is move the decimal place. We're going to make this number bigger, so we're going to move the decimal place 3 times to the right. So that's just going to be 93 milliliters is going to be your answer. Alright, for 13, I want you to notice this statement. If you see ionic solute, that's very, very important because you're going to have to multiply your answer by the number of ions in the solution. So sodium chloride is an ionic solute. Let's go ahead and let's write that. Sodium chloride. If you check your oxidation chart, you'll notice sodium is a +1, chloride is a -1, so they even each other out. How many ions are in this? 2. You have 1 sodium and 1 chloride, so you have to multiply your answer by 2 once we get to the end. Alright, so first let's just work the molarity and then we'll multiply the whole answer times 2. Notice, remember molarity is moles over liters. I have grams and I have milliliters. I can change the milliliters really quick by moving the decimal place back 3 times. So 0.12 liters. Okay? I'll just change that really quick. Now I need to change my grams into moles. So I have 13.4 grams of sodium chloride, and I want to change that to moles of sodium chloride. My grams are going to cancel out, so I just need to know how many grams are in 1 mole of sodium chloride. Hang on 1 second. So the molar mass is 58.4. So now all I have to do is divide 13.4 divided by 58.4. And that's going to give me 0.229 moles of sodium chloride. So now I have moles, and I changed my grams to moles. So I have moles and I have liters. So I'll just plug that in. So that's 0.229 divided by 0.12. If we do that, you should get 1.912. Do not forget to multiply it by 2. Okay, that's why the ionic solute is important. So times 2, because I have 2 ions here. and that will give me 3.82. You should get a fairly large number if you're doing onyx solutes.